Joining us now, we're delighted to have Professor Bogdan Czerniak in studio, and you are speaking at the Nathan Kaufman lecture.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us. Can you tell me a little bit about the cancer genome research you've been doing?
The most exciting and the most significant project in biomedical sciences today is that of the human genome and how it functions in physiology and disease. The Biomedical Society was able to release the first draft of the human genome sequence in 2001, and it was completed in 2004. Just a few years ago, we reached the ability to sequence the genome of individual human beings. And this means that we can sequence the genome of patients. The variation profiles of our genome is emerging as one of the most important prognostic factors, the factors that may actually affect the treatment of diseases. And it makes a major impact on all medical disciplines, including pathology. I have selected the cancer genome as the subject of my presentation tomorrow, and we will be talking about how our ability to understand the structure and the function of the cancer genome can improve our ability to understand the disease and possibly take us to much more effective therapies.
In particular, are you talking about bladder cancer?
Yes, bladder cancer is a model disease which is being studied in my laboratory at the MD Anderson Cancer Center in Houston. And we've been combining some of the pathological mapping techniques which were invented several generations ago with the most advanced genomic mapping techniques in order to develop a model of bladder cancer development, trying to establish the chronology events from very early incipient events to clinically evident, possibly aggressive disease.
And did you want to speak to the need for pathologists just entering the field to get into this area?
Pathology is at the crossroad today, as we are trying to combine the massive development of information in genomic profiling with our standards of pathology practice. This requires revisiting of our educational program and to educate new generation of pathologists who are capable of combining the clinical practice in pathology with modern genomic profiling. We hope that this can be accomplished during the nearest future, and we will be able to provide much more precise information using the combined microscopic and molecular approaches.
What's your vision for the future in terms of this area of research?
I think that the discipline of diagnostic pathology has a very bright future, and we are not going to stop use the microscope as our basic tool, but we will combine it with very complete molecular assessment of the function and structure of our genome, and possibly this will help us to design better, much more effective therapies.
Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.